Hi, I'm Diana. Welcome to Vita and Lingo. Subscribe and learn English with me.
Good news! We have 5 days off.
Really? 5 days off? Wow! I am so happy! I want to travel!
Where will you go?
I don't know yet. Maybe Japan? I love Japan! Yes! I will go to Japan!
Japan is beautiful. When will you go?
Next week.
What do you want to see?
I want to see Tokyo. I want to eat sushi too.
Yummy! Take photos for me.
First, I need a plane ticket.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I have one. Okay, let me book a ticket now. I want to fly to Tokyo. I will fly on Monday. I want a window seat, please. How much is it? Oh, it is a good price. I will pay by card. Yes! My ticket is ready! Now I need a hotel. This hotel looks nice. Do you have a room for 3 nights? Great! How much is 1 night? Okay, I will book it. My hotel is ready too! What should I bring? I will bring warm clothes. Are you ready for Japan? Almost. Just packing now. Don't forget your passport. Oh, thank you. Passport, ticket, phone. Okay. Passport, ticket, phone. Okay. I'm ready. Tomorrow I fly to Japan. Wow, the airport is big. Hello, may I see your passport? Here you are. Do you have any baggage? You have any bag? Yes, 1 bag. Window or aisle seat? Window, please. Here is your boarding pass. Thank you. Gate 12. This way. time to go! I am so excited! Excuse me, this is my seat. Wow, the clouds are beautiful. Would you like chicken or fish? Chicken, please. Anything to drink? Water, please. We are landing! Hello, Japan! I'm a little nervous because I don't speak Japanese.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here to travel around Japan.
How long will you be staying?
5 days.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you. Thank you. I am in Japan now. Let's go. Where is the train station? Excuse me, where is the station? It's behind you. Oh. Thank you so much. Wow, this hotel is nice. Hello, I have a reservation.
What is your name?
Diana. Diana.
Welcome, Diana. Here is your key.
Thank you.
Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Okay, 3rd floor. Nice room. Now I'm hungry. Is this right? I think I'm lost.
Go straight, then turn left.
Go straight, turn left.
Okay.
This sushi shop smells good.
Welcome. Table for one?
Yes, just one. Wow, so many sushi!
Are you ready to order?
Yes. 2 sushi sets, please. Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy.
It looks delicious. So good. Can I have the bill, please? I love Japanese stores. I want this and this. How much is this? $3.
That's $10.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Now, time to see the temple! Wow! This temple is so beautiful! It is very old and quiet. Excuse me, can you take a photo? Sure. Smile. Cheese.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
And you? I'm from Canada. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I made a new friend today. It's my last day. I want gifts. This is for my mom.
It's $5.
Okay, I'll take it. Thank you so much. Come again. My trip is over. I'm a little sad. But I'm so happy. I love Japan. I will come back one day. Where do YOU want to go? Tell me below. Like and subscribe to Vita and Lingo. See you next time.